Okay, so classification. This is basically a menu of all different methods. And just keep in mind, you can get fancy, but there's something called nearest neighbor, which when we get to towards the end of the semester, it turns out nearest neighbor works in most cases, and it's the simplest. It's basically saying if you have a space with lots of creatures and you want to know what kind of creature this is, just find out what has the closest similar features to the one you're interested in. Uh, Sort of like if you lined up in size order and someone wants to know how tall you are, they just look at the person next to you and measure them. And it seems so simple, but it turns out in most cases, nearest neighbor works well. Um, I won't go into this because there's a lot, but these are feature sets. Someone mentioned shape. Well, these are a lot of ways to describe shape.